Hi, my name is Eric with Followup CRM. Today I'm going to talk about growing client relationships with Followup CRM. So, first, we're going to bring up just an example client that we have within the system. Here we can see Osama is the name of the contact, and we have just general client contact information here on the left hand side, including name, email, phone number, the company he's working for, the title that he might have. Here, you can see that you can schedule a follow up with this individual. This could be a generic follow up. Maybe it's following up about a specific item that you're working with this person on, or maybe you just want to take this person out to lunch. This follow up is not associated with any kind of project or anything like that. It is just specific towards the individual. A couple of other things to note about this page is that you can assign a user within the system to this contact so that your account managers can be dedicated to this relationship. So an account manager or a user within your company can be assigned to an individual. And then we also have a contact type. This contact type field is customizable. So whether you have different SLAs at your company and you want to assign a high SLA to this contact, you can have that under the type dropdown, as well as having other types that you would want to pull data and reporting on later on. So all of these are editable in the settings area, only done by administrators. We also have the created date of the contact and also the last update or interaction date with the contact. The last update section will automatically update as you are interacting with the contact, whether it's a phone call, an email, or a note within the system that will be automatically updated. Right in the middle here, we have our contact analytics. This allows us to see historical analytics of past work that we've done with this individual. Now, here we can see our current pipeline and open opportunities with this person, and then also our historical closing ratio with this individual. This allows us to say, we actually win 25% of the work that we bid out to Osama. So this really gives us a gauge to see, are we wasting our time or is this a productive relationship? The next thing I want to click over here is to the Activities tab. So the Activities tab allows for business development and marketing teams to set up KPIs and activities specific to this individual. Here you can see that these follow-up activities are associated with the contact Susan. So all of these activities are customizable. So whether is you want to mandate, for example, a lunch once a quarter, you can have one of these activities read lunch, lunch and learn, or just a generic follow-up with the individual. You can, I've seen some clients put in the birthday of the individual and then have their birthday trigger a reminder to follow up with that contact. As you can see, you can also push these activities to your Outlook calendar. Now, when you set an activity date with this individual, this activity actually goes to your dashboard, the second tab up here, so you're reminded to do this specific activity with the client. So I'll show you that here in just a moment. Now, this is a little bit of under the hood of the system so that you can see how to set up these activities for the contact. Here, under the Contact tab, you are able to see what activities do I want my team to be doing with the project or the contact. So that's basically how that works. You can customize all the activities for your projects and your contacts to make sure your team is doing the things that they should be doing to develop those relationships. Then those activities feed into your activity dashboard. So the top half here is activities associated with the project. And then the bottom half here is your contact related activities, whether it's just a follow-up, a lunch, a check-in. All of these are customizable to fit your company and the needs of your business. So that's a little bit about how to use Followup CRM for business development and managing your relationships.